How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I want to show you guys how you can get yourselves a little discount for NordVPN. Now, NordVPN is already a budget-friendly VPN, so if you can get yourselves a further discount, why not? So this is what I'm doing today. If you go to the website as it is, this is the kind of pricing that you're going to be seeing. $11.95 for a single month, $4.92 per month for the 1 year plan, and $4.13 per month for the 2 year plan. Not the biggest discrepancy here between the 1 or 2 year plan. Considering you're subscribing for 2 years, you'd expect them to kind of drop the price a little bit more. So if you click the link in the description, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. It'll say, as seen on YouTube, get the 2 year plan plus 1 month free. It says here 65%. You're saving 65%. It's not going to be the biggest discount, but it's still a discount. Hey, a discount is a discount. It'll turn into a 66% discount, but you'll be getting a free month, which is always a plus. So, this is the kind of it's the same pricing. It's just you'll get a bit of a discount with the 2 year plan. So if you're planning to get a 2 year plan for NordVPN, you can benefit off of this. Otherwise, you could just get yourself a 1 year plan. You don't even have to click the link. But otherwise, yeah, this is not a bad deal, really, by no means. Now, if you're looking for a kind of if you're trying to get NordVPN, but you're not really sure what it's like and all that, I'll drop the review in the description down below. But if you just want a quick brief, hey, NordVPN is probably one of the best VPNs you'll be getting in the industry. First of all, it's really cheap for what it's offering. Normally, I like to use ExpressVPN for everything, but when it comes to speed, if I'm trying to maximize speed, NordVPN will usually do the job, especially with the NordLynx protocol going on here. I've selected OpenVPN here just to showcase the specialty servers. You've got 4 different specialty servers. If you select NordLynx, it'll drop to 2 specialty servers, only Onion and peer-to-peer. You'll need double VPN. You'll need OpenVPN UDP for the other specialty servers, dedicated IP and double VPN. Besides that, you get this. Here, you get a pretty cool UI. It's pretty intuitive. You can just zoom in, select whatever country you're looking for. You also get a regular kill switch and an app kill switch. So if you don't want to disable your entire connection, you get split tunneling, and you get obfuscation and custom DNS. So already we have more features than most VPNs will give you. Obfuscated servers will only work on TCP, and beware, if you turn on obfuscated servers, you'll have slower speeds and you'll have less access to less servers, because not all these servers support obfuscation. But yeah, anyways, that'll be it. Again, if you're interested in getting NordVPN, check the discount code in the description below. And if I would recommend that you check the review below as well, so that you can make more of an educated purchase rather than just buying it. And you can buy it and explore it. It's up to you. But anyways, that'll be it for this video. And let me know, why are you guys getting a VPN? Are you using it for gaming? Are you just using it for Netflix? Do you care about obfuscation or the kill switch or split tunneling or any of that? I know me personally, I never use the kill switch because I'm not really concerned about my ISP finding out what I'm doing. I'm not really living in a restrictive country. So yeah, I know a lot of people are very new to VPNs. So I'm curious as to why are you getting why would you decide to get a VPN now at this point? So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed or learned something, or if you found the discount to be a little bit helpful. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day.